Do you sometimes wonder if what you hear is real? Can it be staged? Is it artificial? As an acoustics engineer, I work with sound to restore the music's original beauty. So when you listen, you live the music like you're really there. Like seeing the movement of a string, the faint sigh of a musician, or the vibration of a drum. You feel the music. In 2019, our team started working with the OPPO Acoustics department. We wanted to make something different. The Enco X has a unique audio structure, combining a rear planar magnetic driver with a dynamic driver. Its coaxial structure delivers rich sound details from bass to treble. Technology is the new instrument of music. We innovate, explore the new, to get back to the original, to restore what's real in music. That's why we made the Enco X.